Hey everybody, I am going to be pouring on this 10 by 20 MDF board. Let me see, I think you've got a pretty good view of it, because that way I can tilt it and move it, and I think you should still be able to see it. Let me see what your view is if I move it that way. Okay. As I said, I'm still having the issue of when I tilt it, it's going off camera a little bit, but then I bring it right back. So hopefully it is not too bothersome for you all. Okay, let me just move some stuff over. Going to stand because that stool is really damn uncomfortable. Like it's cutting into my booty. Hurts. Oh, I could put a pillow on it. That would be better. Oh, like I've got a shadow. Let's get some more light. Woo! You could land planes down here. It's so bright. All right, so I am using Artist Loft Light Magenta. I shouldn't be shaking. I should be stirring. I know. Artist Loft Deep Yellow. Prussian Blue. I should just call it Prussian. And then this little nugget of green is a mix of Artist Loft Light Green and Artist Loft Metallic Phthalo Green, and it does have a little bit of silicone in it. There's like almost nothing in there, so I may add a little bit more of that green. The white that I'm using is the Dutch Boy that I use. But from the last video, this is still from the last video, so it does have gel medium in it. And so does the Prussian Blue. But otherwise the paints are Floetrol and water. And the only silicone is in this green. So I am going to start filling this foot cup. And wondering, I'm going to switch to Cad Red Hue, I think. There is like nothing in this yellow. So I'm hoping, oh gosh, there. Come on. You've got to be kidding me. There's like a dog hair in here. My dog has never come down here, but well, I'm sure I'll see it when I do my pour. I totally lost track of what I was saying. Well, hell if I know. I don't know. I think it's something that the white is thicker. Maybe that's it. Well, I can tell you that this red is thinner than all the others because it just went straight down to the bottom. Okay, bye-bye yellow. Let's get these out of here. Actually, standing's not bad. Standing's probably better on my back anyways because I'm not all like bent over. I'm actually going to do the white first, just in case since it is thick, I want to make sure that I tilt enough off. I cannot get over how creamy beautiful this is. Since I just mixed it and it has no like crunchies from Floetrol or dried paint, it really makes me want to mix my white every time, which is such a pain in the butt. But it's just so nice. I'm not digging out chunks of crud. It also helps that it's a new Floetrol. Yeah, this white is thicker than usual because let's see. You can see how thick it is, that I am doing this and not making marks. So this is MDF that is cut by a fellow teacher I work with. And then I primed it with gesso and sanded it. So my white is reminding me of, most people in their videos mix their paint way thicker than I do. And my white is reminding me of most of the videos I watch. That is not a bad thing, I'm not digging. But, because I've always mixed mine so thin, and when people have spread it and you can see the lines, I'm like, oh my gosh, I never see my lines. Well, today I do, so. And that is not a bad thing. What's the saying? More than one way to skin a cat? There is no right or wrong in art, which is probably why I love it so much. Oh goodness, my base is a little thin. This is what I was worried about, that my color is so much thinner than the white. Let's see. This may end up being a redo. Well, that is perfectly putrid. Oh, so ugly. So ugly. There's no saving that one. Okay. So I'm going to try that again. And I'm going to add some water to my white paint. Thin it up. And I'm not going to use the green. I'm going to use that same flip cup though. So whatever green's in there will be in there. But Wow, that was so instantaneously hideous. There was I saw absolutely no reason for me to continue working on that pour because I did not care for it one bit. So. Actually, I think I'm going to use this cup as my flip cup. Let me, getting paint. Okay. Touch up the side. The sides of these, even though they're primed, they dry almost instantaneously. It's very weird. I'm going to use this Naples yellow that has silicone. So I'm going to pour some of that in here. So I got some of that. Some of that. It's hard to know how much I have since I'm using, let's see if I can squeeze any green out. No, no green's coming from that. I feel I need another color. I'm going to add in Liquitex Bright Aqua Green. So normally in my little tiny flip cup, the paint is layered, but this is like a big cup, so it's just all over. So let's see. Ooh, I forgot I was on a narrow base. Yeah, that's still coming out, isn't it? Let's see what happens. I know, I jumped right in. Normally I'm like, be patient, be patient. Yeah, my problem is that the paints are of such different consistency. You can see that they're tilting at different rates. So hang on, I'm gonna... I really do like the colors though. I'm going to try the hairdryer again, even though yesterday or a couple days ago the paint refused to budge. I'm going to try it. Well, that part's really good. Part that I ran the hairdryer into. Half of it's on my shirt now. And my hair. Even more of it's on my shirt. And I gotta touch up the side. This is a really high quality shirt too. It's my Old Navy Happy Halloween, like 2014 or something. Ooh, I like it. I like it, like it. I am really hoping that I didn't dry it out too much with the hairdryer because I don't want it cracking as it dries. This one is so tranquil, just so peaceful looking. I picture it at a cottage by the ocean while sitting in a lovely Adirondack chair and sipping wine by sunset. Instead, I am in the Midwest of the US on the first day of spring, and it's snowing. So let me have my dream. Oh, I gotta be careful when I do that, because I just dripped paint again. Oh, I love this one. It is really just gentle, just really peaceful. And oh my gosh, I just ran my fingers through my hair and my hand is blue. So, well, I guess I'm going the rest of the day with blue hair. It won't be the first time. But look at, what color did I use? The cadmium red. Look at how it became like a gorgeous peach. And I'm so happy that I added the Liquitex Bright Aqua, because you can see it, and it's just, it's just so peaceful. Loving it. Ugh, there's so much paint in my hair. Oops. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Please click like if you liked it. And if you didn't like it, just move on to another channel. It's great being with ya. See you next time. Hey, I wanted to update you on this painting that I used the hairdryer on because I was a little worried about how it would dry. It dried absolutely perfectly. I love it. It is such a tranquil piece. Give you some close-ups of it. It is really pretty. So I just wanted you all to see the finished product and that it dried really well. So thank you so much, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.